And Larry Shover, Chief Investment Officer over at SFG Alternatives. Larry, you're in Chicago. Thanks for being on the show as always. How are you trading this range right now?
Well, you stay really patient and understand that there's a tailwind of the Fed. The Fed has acted as a huge tailwind where 7% nominal yield, a 14 times PE, all of a sudden is very, very compelling compared to treasuries, REITs, cash, what have you. So I think right now what you do is look at implied volatilities. They're all so very cheap right now, especially like in the SPY or some of the other sectors. They're sub 5 percentile judged over the past 5 years. So when you look at it, stay in the market. Don't get too nervous, but do buy premium right now. It's very, very cheap, especially when you look at from now till December, a 3 to 5% out of the money put. Clearly just good value right now and give you some peace of mind.
Hey, that's a great point. In other words, stay invested and go out and buy some put protection to help you sleep at night. Within the market, within the S&P 500, are there any sectors that you think might actually break to the upside?
I personally, and I know I'm an outlier, but I still think energy is going to continue to outperform like it did in the last quarter for a variety of reasons, where it's going to finally continue to find demand. With that, the XLE sector is trading at 3 percentile, so a great opportunity to buy put premium against any kind of energy stock.
Hey, why do you think, and we only have about 30 seconds here, Larry, before we shift to bonds, but why do you think that energy is going to continue to outperform? What's the thesis in a nutshell?
Yeah, I do think that the dollar is going to go back lower. I think it's going to be very, very good for oil. I think there's going to be more problems with maintenance in the North Sea. That's going to put pressure on Brent. That's going to just worsen supply chain. It's going to help prop oil prices back up to about $93 a barrel by the end of the year.
All right, good deal. All right, that's Larry Shover, CIO of SFG Alternatives. Always great having you on the show, Larry. So here's what you need to know. Stocks are cheap. Options are